This isn't just a wave, it's a moving skyscraper. In Nazaré, Portugal, waves rise over 80 feet high. Even the world's best surfers hesitate here, because once you drop in, there's no turning back. And the reason this wave exists is hidden deep beneath the ocean. At Praia do Norte in Nazaré, the Atlantic does something almost impossible. Every winter, giant swells roll in from storms thousands of miles away. But when they hit this coastline, they don't just break. They explode upward. Surfers travel from around the world chasing records here. But Nazaré isn't predictable. It's raw, uncontrolled, and terrifyingly powerful. So why here? Why this beach? Beneath Nazaré lies a massive underwater trench, the Nazaré Canyon, over 140 miles long, thousands of meters deep. When Atlantic swell moves toward Portugal, the canyon funnels wave energy. It compresses it, focuses it, and launches it upward like a ramp. The result, some of the biggest waves ever surfed on Earth. It's not luck, it's physics. Yeah, from the cliffs above, it looks cinematic. From the water, it feels apocalyptic. When a surfer falls from 70 feet, it's like hitting concrete, and then comes the real danger, the next wave. Because Nazaré sends massive sets, not just one giant wall of water. Surfers rely on jet skis for rescue. Timing must be perfect. 1 second too slow, and the ocean decides your fate. Even elite athletes admit Nazaré scares them. Nazaré holds records for the largest waves ever surfed. Men and women pushing the limits of what's possible. But this isn't about fame, it's about confronting something far bigger than yourself. The ocean here doesn't negotiate, it tests you, and every winter, when the Atlantic storms align, the monster returns. Nazaré is beautiful from above, but below, it's one of the most powerful natural forces on Earth. This isn't just surfing, it's survival against a moving mountain. And that's why even the world's best fear this wave. This is Birdseye Travel 4K.